recently I've been giving the smallmouth quite a bit of love. Now today I'm going to switch things up a little bit. Today I'm primarily fishing for largemouth bass, but just in the part of New Hampshire where I live, you're going to be fishing for pickerel too, so hopefully I can hook into some pickerel as well today. And I brought 2 rods with me today. One rod has a jig tied on with a missile D-bomb trailer on it. This color is Green Pumpkin Flash. And the other rod I brought is going to have a Chatterbait on it. Now, I actually have a newfound respect for both the Chatterbait and the crankbait recently. I actually just caught my PB smallmouth on the crankbait. It's actually my video before this, so if you haven't checked it out, I would definitely check that out. That was a really cool video. And I've used a couple different chatterbaits in my life, and the Z-Man chatterbait seems to be the best overall in my opinion, and the cheapest. You can get this Z-Man chatterbait exactly for like $4.60 at Walmart. The trailer I'm gonna put on it is a Bass Pro Shops Speed Shad, or Super Shad I think it's called actually. Yeah, it's called the Super Shad. Now this color is in Sungill color, and I think that color will be perfect on this Green Pumpkin Chatterbait. Alright, I'm gonna be starting off with the Chatterbait this evening, but enough talking. Let's get to stepping. There's one. First largemouth today on the Chatterbait. Now, I was catching some smallmouth that would eat this largemouth the other day, but hey, I'm happy to catch the first fish today. Not a bad looking largemouth either. Oh great, I bet you guys couldn't see any of that. Swing and a miss. Alright, well, just because I think the sun's right in the GoPro's face, and it's right in my face and I forgot my sunglasses, I think I'm going to switch sides to the pond. Not because I think the other side is better, but just to get out of this sun. So the other bank I was fishing is a little bit more deep and snaggy. This side of the pond is definitely more shallow and weedy. But I'm still going to use the Chatterbait. Dang. There's one right there. Oh my goodness. That was one of the biggest yellow perch I've ever seen. There's one. A pickle. Not a bad sized pickle either. Man, he is covered in worms. Man, look at all those black dots on him. All those are worms. Okay, so far so good with the chatterbait. Will you shut up? You, shut up. Hey, I got one. I thought I saw something come and hit the chatterbait, but I wasn't 100% sure. But yeah, sure enough, something did. It was just a small bass. Nothing too exciting. There we go. All right, another largemouth. Wow, look at the black stripe on that largemouth. What a nice looking bass. There's a pickle. A little one. I'm obviously off the boat now, and that first pond didn't really work out too well for me. So I brought the chatterbait with me. I'm going to be doing a little bank fishing at the second pond. Seriously. He is stuck in there. There we go. Not a bad pickle, actually. Thank you. All right. Not that bad of a pickerel. All right, so the water at this pond is slightly more stained than the first pond I was at. So instead of using that green sungill color, I'm going to switch over to black and blue. It's still the same Bass Pro Super Shad, just different color. I guess that's a fitting end to a kind of day. Especially at the second pond. That chatterbait was definitely not what the fish wanted at the second pond. I mean, I've been seeing fish blow up on bluegill and shiners the whole time I'm here, but all I had was that one pickerel to start and nothing after that. But I had a decent day today. I'm glad I came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Peace.